Over the many years I've worked in real estate, I've witnessed countless changes in how people buy and sell. One of the most noticeable shifts in recent years is the growing focus on energy efficiency and running costs. Did you know that for almost a decade, demand for well-built, energy-efficient homes in the central Algarve has consistently outpaced supply? Buyers have become more selective, and the reality is, exceptional product is still limited, but that's changing. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Real, and today I'm in the peaceful and increasingly desirable area of Areeiro, perfectly positioned between Almancil and Loulé. This villa was born out of that very market shift. The current owners began their search in 2019, looking to renovate something with potential. But they quickly realized that few properties truly met their expectations, so they decided to create their own. The result is a beautifully conceived contemporary 5-bedroom home spread over 3 levels, flooded with natural light, functionally laid out, and designed for real day-to-day living. From the bespoke state-of-the-art kitchen with Siemens appliances and a discreet coffee station to the conversational central island and adjacent laundry room. There are 2-bedroom suites on the ground floor, 2 more upstairs, including the main suite, which enjoys elevated views across the countryside to the sea, and a 5th suite on the lower level. All beautifully furnished and curated with care, a country home with a touch of modern luxury. Outside, the sense of comfort and style continues with a saltwater heated pool, a sleek bioclimatic pergola with integrated lighting, and a fully equipped barbecue kitchen for easy entertaining, all set against a scenic backdrop. As we come to the end of this brief tour, let's return to where we began, the shift in buyer priorities. The villa is a forward-thinking response, equipped with 10-kilowatt photovoltaic solar panels, battery storage, underfloor heating, laminated glazed with electric blinds, and an EV charging station. If you're looking for a villa that brings together privacy, sustainability, and smart design, this might just be it. For more information, visit our website reference 3835 or contact us to book your visit.